Mars is named after the Roman god of war. This association between Mars and war dates back at least to Babylonian astronomy, in which the planet was named for the god Nergal, deity of war and destruction. It persisted into modern times, as exemplified by Gustav Holst's orchestral suite The Planets, whose famous first movement labels Mars, the bringer of war. The planet's symbol, a circle with a spear pointing out to the upper right, is also used as a symbol for the male gender. The symbol dates from at latest the 11th century, though a possible predecessor has been found in the Greek Oxyrhynchus papyri. The idea that Mars was populated by intelligent Martians became widespread in the late 19th century. Schiaparelli's Canali observations combined with Percival Lowell's books on the subject put forward the standard notion of a planet that was a drying, cooling, dying world with ancient civilizations constructing irrigation works. Many other observations and proclamations by notable personalities added to what has been termed Mars fever. High-resolution mapping of the surface of Mars revealed no artifacts of habitation, but pseudoscientific speculation about intelligent life on Mars still continues, reminiscent of the Canali observations. These speculations are based on small-scale features perceived in the spacecraft images, such as pyramids and the face on Mars. In his book Cosmos, planetary astronomer Carl Sagan wrote, "Mars has become a kind of mythic arena onto which we have projected our earthly hopes and fears." The depiction of Mars in fiction has been stimulated by its dramatic red color and by 19th-century scientific speculations that its surface conditions might support not just life, but intelligent life. This gave way to many science fiction stories involving these concepts, such as H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds, in which Martians seek to escape their dying planet by invading Earth. Ray Bradbury's The Martian Chronicles, in which human explorers accidentally destroy a Martian civilization, as well as Edgar Rice Burroughs' Barsoom series. C.S. Lewis' novel Out of the Silent Planet, 1938, and a number of Robert A. Heinlein stories before the mid-60s. Since then, depictions of Martians have also extended to animation. A comic figure of an intelligent Martian, Marvin the Martian, appeared in Haredevil Hair, 1948, as a character in the Looney Tunes animated cartoons of Warner Brothers, and has continued as part of popular culture to the present. After the Mariner and Viking spacecraft had returned pictures of Mars as it really is, a lifeless and canal-less world, these ideas about Mars were abandoned. For many science fiction authors, the new discoveries initially seemed like a constraint, but eventually the post-Viking knowledge of Mars became itself a source of inspiration for works like Kim Stanley Robinson's Mars trilogy.